Hello everyone, with all the smile and love, this is Adi Shri Soni standing right before you with an absolute privilege and to have an honor standing right before you. And now I request my dear judges to give me a topic.
So, Adishi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I would like to hear from you on Narendra Modi, the leader of the masses.
All right, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, when you have knowledge in your hand, the world is at the feet. Today, I hold a sheer pleasure and an absolute privilege to talk about the men who succeed in his life with his knowledge, dedication, and with his determination. None other than the President of India, Mr. Narendra Damodar Modi. As we know that he is the President of India, succeeding in his life at the level of peak. So, as we know that every politician, if I talk about the politicians of abroad or of India, every politician has either two sides, a good side and a bad side. So as this politician too has. No offense, I'm not saying that this politician has not done anything, but I'm saying that every politician in this world has two sides, so as this politicians too had. So, Mr. Narendra Modi was born in a middle class family. He was from an ordinary background, but with extraordinary dreams. He made his determination and his dedication to win and to success in his life. So why was I saying in starting that every politician has his two sides? Let me clear you one thing. We know that politicians can never be real. As after all, they are politicians. I am not saying that Mr. Narendra Modi has not done anything great. But when I talk about the negative side, it's really harsh to know. So as we know that he was not from a wealthy family, and he was from an ordinary background. He came from a family where his father was a person who used to run a small tea stall, and he was also a canteen runner, where with his knowledge and dedication now he has become the President of India, ruling the country with his ideas, with his ideals, and with his immense courage. So now you guys might be thinking that Adishri, why you were saying that this politician has a negative side? Let me tell you, whenever this politician was asked in an interview that what is your past, he has always lied about it. I'm not saying again, I'm not saying that this politician is not at all good. I'm saying that every politician in this world has two sides, so as this politician. That in conclusion, I would just like to say that Mr. Narendra Modi has launched so many schemes for the welfare of India, such like Pradhan Mantri Bhim Fasal Yojana, more like Pradhan Mantri Free LPG Gas Services Yojana, and so many like this. In conclusion, I would just like to say that politicians like them are meant to be inspired from them, and what we can do is we can follow their path, the path of success, the path of honesty, the path of truthness, and the path of loyalty. Thank you so much. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Well said, Adishri.
Thank you, sir.
Now, I feel this was quite a well-chosen topic to start with. Like, we are talking about the Prime Minister of India, okay? And yesterday, if you remember, it was what was the day yesterday, anyone?
I think Yoga Divas.
Yes, Yoga Divas. And it was initiated and started by none other than our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi sir. So, what would you say about that?
See, talking about Yoga Divas, as it was initially started by him, I think it's really a good step from him, as he is taking initiative in awakening our youth. As nowadays, we can see people are all busy in their mobile phones and in front of their screens. So I think he has done really a great job by taking initiative in this auspicious day of yoga, and I think it's really good to have leaders like him who are awakening the youth of India.
Fine, that will do. Good.
What if I fail again? What if I never try? And what if they all laugh at me? That was not a story. That was a reality. That was a mindset of a girl who didn't have a knowledge about English, who didn't have a confidence. Why? Because being a student of a Hindi medium. But the girl that was she is in front of you all today. So hello, hi, namaste, one and all present here. This is Yashika Patel in front of you. Today, I requested to judges to give me a topic.
Okay, Yashika, I'm giving you topic. Actually, I should not give, but now I'm giving you. So first let me know कैसा लग रहा है?
Sir, I am feeling so well. Because I think that
I saw that the way you presented yourself, you were looking very confident. That's
Yes.
great. And let me tell you everyone, she's from Hindi medium. A girl from Hindi medium is speaking confidently. That's great. I'm giving you a very interesting topic today. Importance of happiness.
importance of happiness.
Importance of happiness in our life. What do you think?
Count your life by your friends, not by the years. And count your life by happiness, not by the tears. So, hello, today I am going to talk about the importance of happiness. Do you know that happiness is the most beautiful quality which humans have in their life? And if we don't have, so we can make happiness in our life. Happiness helps us to feel comfortable. Happiness helps us to feel confident, motivated in every situation. Happiness gives us energy to face every problem of our life. Happiness gives us a better life way. Do you know that happiness is not just about having a lots of money. It's not about having a lots of things and possessions in our life. It's about helping someone. Happiness comes from inside, and for everyone their happiness is different. For me, my happiness that I am speaking here. For the judges, its happiness is that judging the student. For the persona, its happiness is they are the teaching students. And do you know that if we are happy, so we are feeling so confident, we are feeling so motivated in the every situation, we are enjoying every situation of our life. And if we are happy, so we are so energetic, we are stay happy, healthy in our life by the happiness. And if we are happy, if we are not happy, so like we are feeling so tired, we are feeling so anxiety and depression. Why? Because our mind is considered that he or she is sad, he or she is disturbed. But it's if we are happy, so we are improve our physical health, we are improve our mental health in the every aspect of your life. So it's all from my side about the importance of happiness. Thank you.
Okay, well said, Yashika, on happiness, and you are happy. That's the biggest thing. Okay, see, happiness is a common thing. I mean, a common attribute. But the thing is, we see many people unhappy, and it's quite natural for a person. I mean, who is surrounded by stress, tension, worries, and lots of things like negative things, and how to deal with that and remain happy.
So first of all, for being happy, we should not be depressed and we should not have anxiety in our life. Like we think that jo hoga dekha jayega. We are only thinking that things in our life and we will be happy in our life. Like about myself, I am that person who always make other ones happy. Like in my friend circle, when someone is like sad, I do my best to make him happy or make him her happy.
So, Yashika, so for your parents, what are the two things that you will be doing for making your parents happy, actually?
So, ma'am, I belongs to a middle class family and my father and mother is not so educated. So, I think that I will give my best, I will be better educated in my life and make my parents happy for forever.
So your parents are here only?
No, ma'am, because of my son, because of my father is not here. That's why
So they will be really happy to see you like that.
So my brother and also my sister. Yes, sir.
Okay. So they are happy to see you like this?
Yes, sir. When I will see you that video of when I am speaking, so they were so happy.
Okay.
And last, I would like to say you whether I win or lost. But I want to say thank you to the Ajay sir and team persona to make an underconfident girl to a confident girl. So thank you.
Don't read success stories, it will give you a message. Read failure stories and you will get new ideas to succeed in life. Hello, hi, good morning everyone, respected judges, teachers and all my dear audience. This is Divya Dilhani standing before you and going to speak on the topic. So I request judges to give me a topic to speak on. As we all know, artificial intelligence means machines doing women's work, thinking fast, doing their works, doing calculations very quickly, and doing the works that humans do. Humans take more time to do, but they are doing very quickly. And let's jump on the important advantages of artificial intelligence, as we can get knowledge within the seconds. We can choose opportunities, explore the world within a few minutes. We can get full knowledge. We can explore many things. We can know about anything by sitting at our own place, at our homes, with our comfort zones. But now we see the disadvantages, as people are being addicted to the mobiles due to artificial intelligence. They are losing their real connections. They are losing their confidence due to artificial intelligence. Because of artificial intelligence, many people are sitting at their homes and doing tasks at their own comfort zone. And in conclusion, I would say that artificial intelligence can be the plus point of all of us, but we should use it carefully, as if we use it perfectly, it will help us to grow, and if we use it wrongly, they will help us to fall down. That's all from my side. Thank you.